Hi and welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. It's been ages since I made the vlog. Say hi.
Hi, I took Makuta.
So basically today we are going to the showcase
No, London.
showcase sample sale of Mulberry, which is a very famous bag brand of UK, and I will take you along. So get ready to explore central London. I hope my phone remains safe while I shoot the Mulberry showcase sale for you all. Stay tuned. First stop is this Lindt coffee shop. Basically, it's a chocolate shop which also serves coffee and ice cream. And oh my god, it's such a dreamy shop. Yum. Can I taste it?
Asha wants it back.
It's a walk from Tottenham Court Road and really beautiful place to visit. And just on the Piccadilly Circus, we heard these beautiful Bollywood numbers which just made our day. Just made our day. And he was singing so good. Anyway, we are now headed to our Mulberry sale thingy for which we came out. So let's go. For showcase, you have to already book online. Like you cannot enter without appointments, and it is £2 per person for entry. The prices were not as less as you would expect in a sample sale. Like for example, this bag was retailing for £345. And there was this Lana collection. If you remember, there is also Lana collection from Coach. I don't know who stole the name first, but the bags were really elegant, and these ones were retailing for starting $545, and obviously the bigger ones were slightly more expensive. $745 to be exact for these browns and black ones, which are totes basically. If you are watching this video, do comment which bag did you like the most in this sample sale, and would you buy that for this price? Also really like these bucket bags. They were retailing for £445. Not bad. This style is called Maggie and it retails for $5.95. I personally don't like this style. Please let me know if this is something you would like. I am hunting for a big laptop bag which can also serve me on trips, because with Asher I have to carry so much stuff. Okay, let me show you the one which literally stole my heart. This beautiful blue shade. It looked so classy, especially for office and when you're traveling. Oh my god. And this one is retailing for $7.75. I think the most expensive piece in the store, and it is also in the color red.
Who is looking very?
Yeah, this is $7.45. Then I had my heart on this brown crossbody bag. It's really elegant, and oh my god, it is pure leather, all of this. I think you can easily go with Mulberry Lana range if you want something elegant in your collection for parties, for going out. It's a beautiful piece. My favorites were these two from all of the entire range. Do let me know, help me which one I should go for.
Asha, you also show.